Hey there, fellow veterans. Welcome back to Vet Home Collective, your trusted resource for all things VA, especially the home buying process. I'm Donnie Fields, and today we're going to dive into a topic that can be a bit confusing, but it's definitely crucial to understand: the fees and the cost associated with VA loans. So quickly, grab a cup of coffee, let's take a break, and let's get right into it. First things first. The great thing about VA loans is that they often come with lower costs compared to conventional loans. However, there are still some fees that you need to be aware of. So let's start with the most significant one, the VA funding fee. So simply put, guys, the VA funding fee is a one-time payment that the veteran, service member, or surviving spouse pays on a VA-backed or VA-direct home loan. This fee helps reduce the loan's cost to taxpayers since the VA loan program does not require a down payment or monthly mortgage insurance. The fee varies based on your down payment and whether it's your first loan or subsequent loan. So quickly, here's a quick breakdown. First-time home loans, you never want to pay more than 2.3%. Of course, if you're putting some money down, this percentage should be lower. And for subsequent loans with no down payment, you should never pay more than 3.6%. And again, if you're putting money down, these percentages should be lower. So it's important to note, guys, if you're receiving compensation for a service-connected disability, you may be exempt from paying this fee. So be sure to check with your lender or the VA to see if you qualify for this exemption. And if you're not service-connected, guys, you probably should give me a call so I can have a conversation with you. Next up are the closing costs. Now, while the VA limits the type of closing costs that a veterans can be charged, there are still several fees that you may or might encounter. The most common ones are: number one, the appraisal fee. This covers the cost of the independent appraiser to determine your home's value. And this usually ranges between about $400 to $600. Number two, the credit report fee. Typically, this is around $30 to $50, and this covers the cost of pulling your credit. Number three, title insurance. This protects you and the lender from any legal issues related to the property's title. Costs can vary, but generally fall between $500 and $1,000, depending on your title company. Number four, origination fee. This is a fee charged by the lender for processing the loan, and it cannot, let me be clear, it cannot exceed more than 1% of the loan amount. And lastly, number five, the recording fee. This small fee covers the cost of recording the new property ownership with your local government, usually between about $25 and $250. There are also some optional costs you might choose to incur, such as discount points. These are fees that you can pay to lower your interest rate. Now, 1 point typically equals 1% of the loan amount, and it can reduce your interest rate by about 1/4%. So this is definitely a way to save money in the long run if you plan on staying in your home for a while and not refinancing for a significant amount of time, guys. Now, guys, remember, while these costs can add up, the VA loan offers significant savings: no down payment, no PMI, private mortgage insurance, and of course, competitive interest rates can make a big difference in the overall cost of your home when it comes down to your monthly payment. So let's recap. The main fee to watch out for is the VA funding fee, which varies based on your down payment and whether it's your first loan or subsequent loan, and whether it's your first or subsequent use. Then there are various closing costs like appraisal fees, credit report fees, title insurance, origination fees and recording fees, and of course, optional costs like discount points can help you save on the interest in the long run. Now, understanding these fees and costs will help you be better prepared and avoid any surprises during the home buying process. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. Call me at 331-229-0950. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Vet Home Collective for more tips and insights on maximizing your VA loan benefits. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Vet Home Collective, where we cover your 6 while you move.